So, good evening and welcome to today's class. Now, today we're going to look at page 71, exercises 4 and 5, which are basically the pronunciation and the speaking exercise. Now, page 71 looks like this. Now, let's start with exercise number 4, pronunciation, sentence stress. Listen and repeat, copy the rhythm. Now, are you ready? Let's look at number 1. Listen and repeat. Remember, listen and repeat. For 10 years. Again, for 10 years. Okay, the next one. Worked here for 10 years. Again, worked here for 10 years. Now let's do the whole sentence. I've worked here for 10 years. Again, I've worked here for 10 years. So that's number 1. Let's look at number 2. Since 2002. Again, since 2002. Okay, lived here since 2002. Again, lived here since 2002. Now let's do the whole sentence. We've lived here since 2002. Again, we've lived here since 2002. Good, good. Are you ready for number 3? Known him. Again, known him. Okay. Have you known him? Again, have you known him? Now the full sentence. How long have you known him? Again, how long have you known him? Now, shall we do the whole sentence? Number 1, listen and repeat. I've worked here for 10 years. Again, I've worked here for 10 years. Number 2, we've lived here since 2002. Again, we've lived here since 2002. And finally, number 3, how long have you known him? Again, how long have you known him? Good work. Now, remember, if necessary, you can pause the video, ¿no? Recordad que si voy muy rápido podéis darle a la pausa y así lo hacéis un poquito más a gusto, ¿vale? Now let's have a look at letter B. Listen and write 5 sentences. ¿Tenéis los cuadernos listos? Yeah? Are you ready? Are you ready to go? Here we go. Number 1. How long have you worked here? Again, number 1. How long have you worked here? Last time. How long have you worked here? Now lo mismo, si tenéis que escuchar otra vez, echáis para atrás y no pasa nada. Yo voy a leer todas las frases 3 veces, ¿vale? Number 2. They've been married for 20 years. Again, they've been married for 20 years. Last time, they've been married for 20 years. Here comes number 3. Are you ready? She hasn't traveled by plane since 2005. Again, she hasn't traveled by plane since 2005. Last time, she hasn't traveled by plane since 2005. Are you ready for number 4? How long has he lived in Italy? Again, how long has he lived in Italy? Last time, how long has he lived in Italy? And finally, number 5. We've known them for a long time. Again, we've known them for a long time. Last time, we've known them for a long time. ¿Tenéis todas las frases? No pasa nada si no echáis para atrás, porque ahora vamos a corregir. Are you ready to check? Here they are. Number 1, how long have you worked here? Number 2, they've been married for 20 years. Number 3, she hasn't travelled by plane since 2005. Number 4, how long has he lived in Italy? And number 5, we've known them for a long time. Now, those were the sentences. Any problems? No, lo mismo. Practicamos, repetimos, ¿no? Number 1, number 2, y así ensayamos un poco con el presente perfecto, ¿no? Now, let's move on to exercise number 5, which is a speaking exercise. No, lo mismo como hemos hecho el otro día. Si queréis, me grabáis los audios y los enviáis al WhatsApp, ¿vale? Now, excuse me, let's look at the questions, ¿no? It says, what 2 tenses are they and what are the missing words? Well, let's look at the first one, have. Now, have a pet, how long it? Oh, okay, well, the 2 sentences are the present simple for the first question, no? A pet, do you have a pet? And the present perfect for the second question, how long have you had it? No? And the missing words are do you or are you for the present simple and have you for the present perfect. Shall we have a look at those questions? Let's see. So the questions are like this. With have, do you have a pet? How long have you had it? Do you have a bike? How long have you had it? Live. Do you live in a modern flat? How long have you lived there? Do you live near this school? How long have you lived there? No. Do you know anyone from another country? How long have you known him or her? And B, are you a member of a club or an organization? ¿No? Si eres socio, ¿no? De alguna organización o asociación. How long have you been a member? Are you a member of a club or organization? How long have you been a member? And finally, are you married? How long have you been married? Now remember, you can send your audios to the WhatsApp group because that's all for today. Thanks for listening.